Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. And so today in our space I have kind of a large Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I went to like 6 different Dollar Trees over the last 2 days and I picked up a few things, and then I have like 2 items that I already had that I hadn't hauled for you guys yet. I was looking for 2 specific things and neither one of them were anywhere to be found. One of them, actually 3 things. 2 of them I actually did find, one very sparingly, and then the other one I was very happy to get my hands on, and then one I still haven't found at all. But let's just jump into it because I have some Valentine's Day stuff that was half off, so it was only 50 cents a piece, and then I have an array of things from all these different areas in the store, and a lot of it is new, at least new to our store. So you gotta tell me down below when I show you the new stuff whether or not if your store's had it for a while. So the first thing is Valentine's inspired stuff. This is some tissue paper with hearts cut out of it. I thought it was really cute, and it was only 50 cents. I'm going to save this for a DIY for next year. You could use it now though if you found it. I mean, I don't see why not in presents and stuff for those that you love. Then next I ended up finding these googly eyes that have hearts as the eyeball parts. I'm not sure I'm going to use it for that, and I saw this at Valentine's time, you know, and I didn't pick it up because I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But for 50 cents, I thought I'd put it in my stash. I might be able to figure out something with it next year. Then I also found 2 things of ribbon that's like 9 feet, I do believe, on each. Yeah, 9 feet on the 3 yards on each one of these. So this one is just hearts, and then this one says love and has hearts on it. They were just set over to the side, and I figured for 50 cents, boom, into my stash. I could use them at any time. And then I ended up finding an item that I had been looking for months, and I could not find it there in one of the stores that I went to, because I went to, I don't even know how many exactly had them, and I thought I had 2 of them in my possession, but I got the heart-shaped reforms. They did not have these anywhere near my house. We were a little ways away from my house. I'm sorry, that was my phone. I just got a new phone and I don't know how to work it yet. But this was a little ways away from my house, so I ended up getting 4 of these, and I thought she only charged me for 2 because it was $2, but I realized that these were considered Valentine's because they were over where the Valentine stuff was, so they were 50 cents a piece. If you see the intro to my channel here, I have a heart-shaped succulent wreath. I made that in a DIY here back on my channel. I'm going to make another one in a DIY, just more like a quick tutorial. But I gifted that one to my mom, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd make another one for me, and I was looking for these forever, and I'm finally happy I got them. So now I have some extra, oops, sorry, that was loud, in my stash. So then next, I already showed you guys this in my Show Me Dollar Tree challenge. This little vase here that I ended up picking up that has the twine around it. I really liked it. I like the green tone of the glass. And at the time I picked up also these florals. They are magnolias. I got 3 stems of them. I really like the bright pink pop of color. And I don't know if you are new to my channel. Last year I had some really pretty very bright pillows on my sofa, and my love seat here in my living room is where I'm filming right now, and they had this bright pink pop of color. They were actually outdoor pillows. A lot of people were like, oh my gosh, those pillows are really pretty. Where'd you get them? They came from Lowe's in their patio section, and I think this color matches, so that's why I picked these up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those in the house this year. I might actually put them on my front porch. I'm not sure. And out by the side of my house I have a pergola with some benches. I'm not sure exactly, but these would match it really well. And I'm not big on putting up fake florals outside, but if I do like some kind of DIY project for the porch, I might end up using these on the wall or something. I'm not sure yet. But that was that. Then I went over to where like the candles and the florals, accessory stuff like the wreaths and stuff like that are, and I ended up picking up 2 more of these round glass candle holders. I have 2 of them, our stores sell out of these like that. Like literally there are people that come in there and buy all of them when they first come out and they put them out, the lady said. So when I find them, I pick up at least a couple of them because I use them in DIY projects all the time. So also over there, I ended up finding these. These are some little touch lamps. I put batteries in it. It has batteries and you just touch it and it comes on. I thought it was really cute. They have them in white and they have them in black. I'm going to DIY this. I think it would be really cool for a nightlight. So I'm probably not going to have it at our house because I don't need it, but I'm going to do a DIY project for you guys. And I'm going to gift this to my one of my daughters with my grandkids. So yeah. That should be cute. I bought 2 of them just in case. So then next I was over there and I picked up another bag of floral moss. I use this all the time. And I also picked up one of Spanish moss because I like the 2 tones of the 2 different mosses. I am going to be utilizing these in a DIY project coming up. Because I finally found, and I was really happy, this is one of the items I was looking for, is the hanging little ball, and I kept them in the plastic because they had them in the plastic, terrariums. It has a little loop on the top there. It's so cute. You can put real flowers in this because it has the air vent hole for them, and you can water them right through there. That ends up being perfect. But I'm going to use faux flowers because real flowers don't seem to want to survive in my house. I bought 3 of these. I don't know if I'm going to utilize all 3, but I will be bringing you guys a DIY with these. I'm sure everyone will be bringing you guys DIY with these. So look out for that here on this channel. Then I ended up picking up these. Sorry, I got to look around. I have a ton of stuff over here by me. I did not know these came in different sizes. These candle holders are 3 different sizes. I thought they only really had the middle size, but they have a super tall one and they all go down. So I picked up 3 of them. Actually, I picked up 6 of them, 2 of each size, because I think I want to do a DIY project with these. And I figured if I just buy 1 size or 2 sizes, I'm not going to realize which size I was missing. So I got them all just to be sure that I got all of the sizes that were available. And I also picked up these. These are some new little vases. At first I thought they were cups, but the girl, or you know, glasses to drink out of, but the girl said no, they were vases. Even though they were kind of over where the glasses were. They weren't in that section. But she said that they were vases, and I think they said on them vases. I verified that. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to use these in a DIY project. I ended up picking up 3 of these too, because I thought they were just more of a delicate little shape and they were really kind of cute. Then I also went looking for these. I was really not happy about this. Succulent plants, because I want to make that wreath. Every store I went into, I looked for succulent plants, and these are the only two that I could find. It's the purple ones in the little pot. And I want to get at least 2 more of this color and then a ton of some other ones so I can make these wreaths. But succulents are the rage right now. I think every time those come in, somebody comes in and just buys them all up. I did actually find one of the picks, and these are actually the ones I really want. So I'm going to be that lady. I'm not going to lie. If you live in Michigan, north of Detroit, 40 minutes north of Detroit, and you're looking for these 2, it's going to be you and me on the hunt because, hello, I can't find them anywhere, and I need a bunch of them to do my wreath and some other projects that I have coming up for you guys. So that was it for those. Then over still with the florals and things like that and the outdoor stuff, I ended up picking up these. These are some of the garden fencing, and I got 5 of them all together. We'll put those down and just show you one of them. And these are brand new to my stores. Like, I asked at the store, and they were only at 2 of the stores that I went to. And the lady said, yeah, they didn't carry these last year. These are brand new at my store. So I was really happy to get these. If you saw my fairy garden stuff last year, I have a ton of it. I did a tablescape out of it. I'm going to be putting it outside this coming up spring and summer. And I'm going to fence it off with this to try to keep the puppies out of it. so they don't go over there and decorate it. So I am going to use this, and I thought it would be really cute to fence off that area of my yard. Okay, and then next I was over by where still in the same kind of general area where that stuff was, in picture frames and stuff, and on an end cap they had this. This is brand new to our stores too. It's really cute. It's a little picture frame and it says family on the top. It's all just like unfinished kind of particle boardy wood. I don't know. It's like pressed into layers, so I don't know if it's real wood or not. But I thought it was really cute. My mother loves signs like this and stuff. And this one you can actually put frames in, or put pictures in, because it's got little frames in it. So I'm going to figure out a color to paint this for her. And then we're going to put pictures of Chad and I in it and gift it to her. And I think she's really going to love it. It'll probably be for Mother's Day. That probably will work out. But I hadn't seen these at any stores before, so these are brand new to our stores. And if you're looking for something like this, I'd run out and get them, because they were on an end cap and they only had 3 left when I found this one. Then I went over to where the bath and stuff was, like the shampoos and things like that. And normally they put these kind of things over where like the nail accessories and the Bolero products and stuff like that are, but they weren't. They were over by the bath stuff. And I picked up 2 of the fizzing bath bombs. I ended up getting the almond milk and honey one and the lavender and sea salt. I didn't need these, but I wanted to try them for $1. I figure, hey, these are cheap, bath bombs. I have a ton of them. I have some from Lush. I have some from Bath and Body Works. I have some that came from Five Below that someone gave me. And so I thought I'd see how these kind of, work compared to the other ones. I also have some from Big Lots. They came in a bag and they were a little smaller than these. So I picked up 2. They had a third one, which is oatmeal and something, and I just didn't get that one because I know I'm not allergic to these things. And the oatmeal one, I don't know what else was in it, but I thought maybe I shouldn't try that one, and I didn't really need all 3. So then I went over, I think that was it in that area. I only have a couple more things for you guys. I went over to where like the housewares and stuff like that were, and paper goods and stuff. And I ended up picking up this thing of 8 coasters that says "Drink Please" on it. They're cardboard coasters. I thought they would be really good for outdoors. And they're disposable. We use a lot of coasters all the time, and like one of our table sets and stuff that's outdoors, if you don't put a coaster down, then your drink just like leaks everywhere and it slides kind of away. So I ended up picking up these. I was hoping they had some that had a different saying, but these are lemons, and I figured, hey, it's kind of festive for outdoor for summertime. Then the last thing that I ended up picking up was in the cookware, houseware, whatever stuff. They had a new product, and it was this little container. It comes with a lid. It said right on the box and everything, it's the Sure Fresh brand, that they are microwavable, so you can put them in the microwave. They are plastic, but the lids fit really secure to me. And so I thought I'd give them a try. It'd be nice to be able to warm up a few things and stuff, and plus you could, put like spaghetti or something like that and maybe send it to work with Chad, and it was only $1. And so I don't care if it doesn't come back in the best condition, and he can throw the whole thing in the microwave. And I want to see how that works with things like red sauce and stuff like that. Like, is it going to stain? Is it going to burn? Or whatever. So they had like this one, which is circular, and then they also had this one. And I thought even too, you could do these for like outdoor. You don't want to take your nice stuff outside or whatever, and you want to just eat in the summer outside. We do that a lot and stuff. And then I don't have to take, my ceramic stuff or my Corningware or anything outdoors if these actually work. So I picked up one of these. I'm going to try to test them out really soon. So just in case they really do work really well, I can go ahead and go and buy some more if I want to get them. But that is it for this haul. Though I picked up quite a few things, and quite a few were new. These were new to my store. The fencing was new to my store. The what else? These were new to my store. So I was really happy about it. Now, the one thing that I was really looking for was the round, bigger mirror with the black frame around it that I never could find, and I'm still on the hunt for that. So if you live in Southeast Michigan area and you know a store that's carrying those, let me know, please, because I have a couple DIYs in mind for those, and I cannot find it anywhere. But yeah, that's it for this haul. Give me a like, a thumbs up if you like Dollar Tree hauls, and let me know what DIYs you're interested in seeing me do. I'm really excited about doing the one with these little things. I know a lot of people are going to be doing them, but I'm going to do my own little version and hang them somewhere. I haven't quite figured it out yet. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. We have a lot of fun here. I got some DIYs coming up for you, and I started a new series here on my channel called Style With Me, where I'm asking you guys for your input on what I'm going to be putting in my house. And right now we're going to be working on my parlor room. I've already picked up a couple of different ideas from you guys, and I'm so excited. The probably video coming at the end of the week on that for the next step of what we're going to do in there. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way it's spelled here. Also Pinterest, because I'm going to be pinning a board for Style With Me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you don't miss out on a video that's coming up from me. And that is it. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.